Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking settings to see the update status and whether a download or install is underway. This tells you what interruption risk exists. Once you know progress, make a quick backup of essential files to cloud or external media, because stopping an update may corrupt data. Then, disable automatic updates and pause any active downloads. That prevents the system from immediately resuming. These steps reduce risk, and they set you up to safely cancel the update without surprising restarts or lost work. You now perform the cancellation. If the update is still downloading, go to Storage or Update Settings and cancel or delete the update file to free space and stop installation. If installation already started, reboot into safe mode or recovery and choose the option to abort or roll back. This prevents incomplete system states. On phones, toggle airplane mode to cut network access, then clear update data in the System Updater app to stop retries. These targeted actions halt progress while preserving system integrity. You finish by rebooting normally and checking settings to confirm the OS version and system stability. Make sure apps open and performance is normal. Once stable, re-enable automatic updates only after confirming backups and checking that the upcoming update is compatible with critical apps. If the device fails to boot or shows errors, immediately use Recovery Restore or System Repair tools to revert to a known good state and keep your backup handy. If problems persist, contact vendor support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.